Okay. So Satan did not have a right, but he found a reason. And he stood on that reason for 18 years until the law enforcement agent came and said, ought not this woman. The provision of the Constitution disallows this kind of bondage. So he exercised his authority. Are you with me? Authority is judicial in nature. Authority doesn't need to shout. It has inherent legislative, inherent judicial power. And when you find a judge that knows he has authority, the more he knows he has authority, the fainter his voice will be. You are sentenced to life. Oh!